In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data in Google Sheets on desktop. First, open your Google Sheets document on your computer. This process is designed for the desktop version, so make sure you're in a web browser on your laptop or desktop rather than a mobile app. Once your sheet is open, take a quick look at your dataset and identify the header row. That's the top row that labels each column, like name, date, status, or amount. You'll want to select that entire header row so Google Sheets knows which labels to attach filters to. If your header spans multiple cells, make sure you include all of them. Next, go to the top menu and click on Data. This menu contains a lot of powerful tools, and the one we're after is Create a Filter. Click Create a Filter, and you'll see small filter icons appear at the right edge of each header cell. That's your confirmation that filtering is now enabled on the sheet. If you don't see them right away, double-check that you selected the correct header row and that you're viewing the sheet at a comfortable zoom level. Now you're ready to filter. Choose the column you want to work with and click the little filter icon in that column's header. A panel will open, showing your filtering options. You can filter by values or by conditions. Filtering by values lets you pick specific items from a list, which is perfect for things like selecting only completed tasks or a particular team member. You'll see checkboxes for each unique value in that column, and there's a search bar if the list is long. Filtering by condition gives you more control with rules, such as showing only numbers greater than a certain amount, text that contains a keyword, or dates after a specific day. This is especially helpful for large datasets where manual selection would be tedious. Once you've chosen your criteria, click OK to apply the filter. Your sheet will instantly update, hiding rows that don't match and keeping only the rows that meet your conditions. Don't worry, those hidden rows aren't deleted, they're just out of view while the filter is active. You can repeat this process on other columns to narrow your results even further. Remember, filters are applied on top of each other, so each one refines the list more. When you're finished reviewing, you can simply clear or disable your filters to bring everything back into view and continue working with your full dataset.